Hi all, this is Noor ACCA. Today I have some useful information about F1 or FAB, Accountant in Business, that would help you to pass this paper. First, we'll have a quick view of paper pattern. Here we have two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A consists of 46 questions, each worth 1 or 2 marks, 76 marks in total. And Section B have 6 questions, each worth 4 marks, 24 marks in total. You have to attempt whole paper because all questions within each section are compulsory. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the most frequent topics. This would help you in preparation time. There are a range of topics that can come in your coming exam, but I categorized them between two groups, Group 1 and 2. Topics related to Group 1 are comparatively easy, and these are types of organizations, corporate social responsibility, the roles within the accounting function of an organization, conflict of interest, and performance appraisal. On other side, we have Group 2, where the topics are comparatively difficult. Group 2 includes microeconomics, data protection, corporate governance, international accounting standards, the role of International Federation of Accountants IFAC, and sustainability. And you have to focus all the topics in Group 1 and 2 in order to achieve at least passing marks. And dear students, don't be panic. There is also some good news for you about this paper. According to examiner's most recent report, it is easy to pass this paper because it contains only basic knowledge. Paper is computer based, there is no difficulty in time management during exam, less practice needed as compared to other papers of ACCA, and passing rate is high as compared to other papers of ACCA. So keep calm. But as good things are always come with bad things, there is also some bad news for you. According to examiner's recent report, some of the students perform badly. Maybe they underestimate the level of exam, or students may misinterpret the questions due to the lack of knowledge. And the poor performance in Section B of the paper. Don't underestimate the level of exam. After all, it is an ACCA paper. The very tough guys. And remember, if you perform poorly in Section B, then there is very less chance to pass this paper. So prepare both parts very well. Hope this video will help you to pass. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, ACCA tips and tricks, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you and good luck.